We're here at the border town of Arsal in Lebanon with the task force team, and behind me you can see the Camp Noor, and we're going to be distributing winter aid packs to the 85 families that reside here in this camp. And you'll see the task force GLM trucks loaded with food packs, with clothing, with diesel for heaters, and you'll see the families come out of excitement and seeing that they're going to get some aid. Inshallah, you'll see that shortly. Follow me. So we're here now, and the team are ready to unload the boxes from the truck and distribute them. You can see that the brothers and sisters are in anticipation of receiving the aid, and they're lining up even though it's raining, even though it's cold. They're looking forward to getting some food, getting some clothing. You can see over there that we've got some diesel oil that they'll use to fuel their heaters throughout the winter and keep warm. So this is where your donations have provided some hope to these people. We've started the distribution here. As you can see, there's long queues, and if you come around this way, you can see that this gentleman is collecting tickets, and these vouchers allow the people, the families, to collect their aid. And this is also a good system to ensure that everyone within this camp gets that aid. And you can see that Brother Sufyan, Brother Zakaria, Brother Sunny and Zubair, the boxes that they're given that are full of food. You've got these bags that are full of clothing for winter, things like hats and coats. You've also got bread packs, and you've also got 3 of those bottles of oil, 30 litres that equates to. So you can see that the box is very packed. You've got sugar, you've got salt, you've got tuna, you've got lentils, you've got rice, you've got pasta. So it's a very full box, and it's meant to last a family of 6 for at least 2 weeks. But obviously, within this camp, especially in this remote area, food aid and winter aid and any kind of aid is very scarce, so they make it last. So we've just followed this family, one of the beneficiaries of this camp, who have received the winter aid that you've kindly donated. We followed them back to their tent, and we're just going to ask them a few questions about how they feel about receiving this aid, what this aid means to them, how would they survive the winter without it. So we've just spoken to this elderly uncle who has said that he's extremely grateful for the aid that he's received. Just yesterday he said he went out and begged for some oil so that he could heat up his tent, because the winter has started and he's sick, so he cannot work, and he's expressed extreme gratitude to everyone who's donated and contributed and shared the videos and raised awareness for the plight of these Syrian refugees. With me here I have Shahad, and you can see from the way that she's dressed, she's not obviously dressed appropriately for the weather. It's now starting to rain, and it's quite cold here. You can see that she has flip-flops on, and have a look at the kind of places that they have to stay in, and they have to endure this very, very cold weather. We can make a small difference by providing them with some clothing, with some fuel for the heaters, with some food, and give them some hope that they'll see through the winter.
We are ISWA in Lebanon, the partner of Task Force GLM UK. We are implementing and delivering their projects when they are not here, but today they are here with us, came all the way along from UK on their own expenses, all the brothers, just to deliver the aid that you donated, delivering the amana for those the most needy in Arsal, in Bekaa Valley, in Lebanon.
So we're here at the last camp that we're going to be visiting today, and we're literally a stone throw away to the Palestinian border. to my left, and the Syrian border to my right, and just behind this van, just over there in the distance, is the Golan Heights. And here you can see there's a lot of Syrian refugees who are gathered here waiting, queuing up to receive their winter aid packs. So as usual, we've got the oil for their heaters, we've got food, clothing, and some bread. And inshallah, we're going to distribute now, put some smiles on faces, and end for the day. Thank you very much for your donations. Please continue supporting the work that we do.